Okay, so today we're going to talk about websites and how you can flip them for money or how you can just buy a website and just make a profit out of it each month. The website that we're going to use for this is the most popular one for flipping. It's called Flippa.com. Flippa.com is a really popular place. This is what we need. If you want to resell, if you just want to go and delve into that, you want a website with a lot of traffic, right? So Flippa.com will do. Now, there is a thing to notice down there. Firstly, is that some of these are like really crazy. I mean, just have a look at this one, $1.6 million. And of course, I'm not going to expect some of you to go and cash out $1.6 million. If you have this kind of money, you wouldn't watch this video, right? But I'm just telling you what are the choices on this website. And the good thing that Flippa.com has, they have this section, which is to get a fast start under $2.5 thousand. But of course, $2.5 thousand is still above some of our limits. So I'm just going to go down there to the beginner level so I can just explain you how you can start if you don't have like a lot of money to invest and if you just want to start it out and see what it's like. So for example, you've got, for example, like these. Notepad link, it's like $250. This one down there is like $400, $250, but of course, if you click on the see more, you will have the opportunity to like choose the filters. Okay, so you have a lot of these filters. So let's just check them out. They're here on the left hand side here. So you can just go and you can decide if you want to go with some online businesses, with some Amazon stores, with some apps, domains, you've got a lot of these. But one thing that I would avoid are these e-commerce stores. And the reason is because you simply never know what is going to happen with them. This is not like a secure thing. You can resell them, but if you want to keep the website, I would stay away from e-commerce and I would just lead to certain blogs or Amazon affiliate sections. That's maybe the best one. I'm going to talk about that later, but I just wanted to tell you that stay away from e-commerce websites if you are a beginner, okay? If you have some experience in that, if you already worked with it, go ahead. One thing to notice here is that, for example, if you just search for these websites, you will actually see the net profit, which is per month. Okay, so for example, this one is like $4,000 per month, let's say, and it's 152, actually 125, I'm sorry. So that is a good thing to have in mind because you can expect when are you gonna bring that money back. Okay, so when you want to invest, you want to go and do extensive research. That's what this website is for. You got to invest time to do a lot of research and then you will decide on a buy because the first and foremost, you got to see what is going to be the net profit per month. So you can expect when are you going to make your money back and start getting the profit, all right? Just like every business. But of course, let's just go back to these beginner websites and let's see, for example, like this one. So wheatplant.net, you can see that you can have it for $65 only. Okay, now this is a niche. This is like wheat plant, something about medical marijuana, all of that. So it is niched down. Now, my suggestion is that if you have certain knowledge about any niche, any category, whether it is like, I don't know, maybe fitness niche, maybe some food niche, maybe some, I don't know, some gadgets, scuba diving, whatever, I propose that you search for something related to that. Why am I telling you this? Because it's going to be way easier for you to make the content, okay, to like keep making the content if it's going to be the blog post, You can, of course, use AI tools. You don't have to know a lot about, but it is going to be way easier for you. And of course, it's going to be way more fun. Okay, if you have passion for something, making money is going to be way more fun, So, for example, like this one, I don't know, maybe the craft beer guys, like if you like beer, Then you've got some of these like service subscription. You have this guy selling thumbnails for YouTube videos, These are like only niche down, so it's going to be a thumbnail or it's going to be like video editing software, something like that. You can have a lot of ideas. I'm just showing you these like suggestions and options, but you can, of course, go and see what it's like and what they have to offer. Now I'm going to go to the best thing for beginners. If you go and search through these websites, click on the Amazon Associates. So Amazon Associates, all of these websites down there, well, they deal with affiliate marketing. Okay, I'm going to go and I'm going to go to the filters here and the price range. I'm just going to put like $1.5 thousand because I don't want to see like these big ones. No one is going to buy them. So I just want to see something like this. So, for example, have a look at this one. So it is Go and Fit, Fun Fit, whatever the name is. Now, if I open it, you will have detailed information once you make yourself an account, of course. But this is what we want to do, okay? This is what we want to look for. This is maybe the most important thing that you want to watch out for. Monthly profit is $126 per month. Now, I'm just going to be on the safe side, and I'm going to tell that you can make the money back. So $1,000 if it ends on this auction. As you can see, some of these are auctions, but you can make the money back in like 10 to 12 months if you buy it for $1,000. Now, of course, you can be lucky and get this for $1,000 if no one else bids. But if you want to buy it now, you can buy it for $2,000, and that's going to be like more harder for you to get the money. But if you know about bikes, if you know about fitness niche, if you know about these things, it's not going to be hard, then it only involves your work and your time. And of course, you can resell the website. You can just keep it for a few months and then you can just resell them on Flippa. You can always do that. So you don't have to worry about that. These websites are also always selling, So if you just go and pay for something, I don't know, $2,000, and you feel like you're not going to do that, you feel like it's not working out for you, you can always sell it back, so you don't have to worry about that. Just put it out there. But you always want to do the calc, okay? So let's say you buy that website for $4,000. This is just an example. So you have to divide that by that monthly profit that was written there. So $126 per month. So that's going to be 31 months until you get back the profit. Now, 31 months, divide that by 12 months, well, that's going to be 2.6 years. Now, I know that it sounds a lot, like 2.6 years, 2.5 years. I mean, that's a lot, but trust me, it isn't. If you get the money back in 2.5 years, the next 10, 15, 20 years, it can make you the profit. Okay, so when you look at it like bigger picture, it's not so much. So how this website is making money actually? Well, they just go and they just post a lot of blog posts. And of course, they will just put the affiliate links. Now, apart from affiliate links, you can see it is monetized. You will have like these ads all around, stoic ads. So you will basically have like two sources of income. You can add another one, which is like lead generation. You can just ask for a email from the visitors, so you can just send them like email newsletter, that weekly thing that always bothers us. But it's not about those emails, it's about lead generation companies. You can sell those emails to those lead generation companies, and that's one more source of income for you. But the main thing is to create the content around, for example, bikes. I'm just going to stick to this example. In all the other niches, it is the similar thing, just another products. So if you want to go with bikes and maybe some products for bikes, maybe some equipment for bikes, what are you going to do? You're going to find that all on Amazon. So I know one company, which is like Shimano, they produce everything for bikes. So for example, you will make the content, the blog post based around this one, and you will post a lot of these affiliate links. Of course, you will just have to make yourself an Amazon Associates account. That's going to be easy. And then what are you going to do? Well, you're going to have a site stripe. So this here on the top is the site stripe. Okay, so whenever you want to affiliate for a certain link, you click on this text icon here, and then this is your affiliate link. Now, whenever someone clicks on your link and they purchase something, you get a commission. But what I like about Amazon is that they just go a step further, because you don't have to find the winning product. Because if I click on your link and I end up on this Shimano bike career, whatever, I don't have to buy this product in order for you to get the commission, If I don't like this one, I can just scroll down and, for example, I like this one. Well, if I buy this one, you will still get the commission, okay? You will still get the commission, and it's all because of the Amazon cookies. Amazon has 24 hours cookies. That means that I'm tracked with you for 24 hours after I click on your link. Okay, so whatever I buy in the next 24 hours after clicking on your link, the commission goes to you. This is a good thing. You can find a lot of that information online on the Amazon website itself, but the cool thing about this one, it is so beginner friendly, okay? You don't have to do extensive research on the products because whatever people buy, you get the commission. Your job is only to lead the people to Amazon, okay? So Amazon just needs the traffic. So whatever they buy, the commission goes to you. Now, they have like these fixed commission income rates for all of these categories, but I've told you, if you end up in lawn and garden, you will end up selling PC components because that's how people are. They just start scrolling, searching through Amazon, and all of a sudden they like something. I don't know, they like some kitchen product and they buy it. Okay, so you get 4.5%. So it's like that. But if you have certain experience in, I don't know, pets products, make a blog around that, or just find a blog on Flippa and then just make it work. Make some money. If you don't like it, throw it away, sell it, make another one, just flip it around, okay? It is a full-time job, okay? I'm not saying to you that you're going to go and sell right away. You're going to make thousands of dollars. Your first week, it's not going to happen. But with the right dedication, with a lot of work from your side, with a lot of time and effort, you can make this really, really nice. It can really become your full-time job. And all that you can do with this is just manage the websites. Later on, you just hire someone to make the content for you. Just watch, okay? Just do the research. And basically, it can be around companies. So if you think this is for you, if you have some time to invest, if you are serious, go with this one and you will not regret it, okay? A lot of money is on the internet, so you can do it, So just go and try it out, see what's what. And don't spend too much money if you don't know what you're doing, okay? I'll catch you.